Okay, like that. Wait, who wrote this? Ooh, sound old school. Oh, Charlie Puth and Jacob Casher Hendlin. Ooh. Oh, got a very early 2000s feel. Spanish guitar.
To make sure you never leave.
Ooh, ooh, the little what? Like that, like. Ooh. I'm surprised that Charlie Puth wrote this. Not surprised, but I'm just seeing his name. Ooh. On and on and on. Ooh, the rappers really do stand out in Babymonster for real. The vocals. Like, right back. Yep. This hits. This is one of my favorites right here. I like that old school sounding feel too. Ooh, okay, vocal. B. Where we're going with this? Ooh. Like, right back. What? Ooh. Like that. Would you like? Would you? Ooh. Oh, that's a groove. Definitely one of the faves. I like that. Okay. Ooh, okay, vocals coming. Like that? I like that.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear. Calvin Klein, bitch. Jumping the cheeks, dribbling fast, swallowing a line.